Pay 2 lakhs and get a business analyst, scrum master, or product owner job in just 15 days. No interviews, no struggle, direct placement in an MNC. Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you are someone who was looking to enroll in the BA, Scrum Master or Product Owner courses, please contact us as we are starting new batch on that. So today the topic is something which everyone are already familiar. The topic is backdoor job. So I would like to make a detailed video on this backdoor job. It is an awareness video, guys. So watch the complete video so you will get a complete clarity on this concept. Okay, first of all, if you are not aware someone what is backdoor job, so a backdoor job means paying money or using contacts to get a job without going through with the regular hiring process. So usually in the any company, an a employee has to undergo with the standardized interview process, like managerial round, HR round, technical round. Okay, all this round has to one employee has to go through in order to clear the interview and get a job. But this backdoor job will not be involving any one of these which I was stated now. So this is called backdoor job. Okay. And what is the fee that usually people will quote in order to offer this backdoor job in the market? So fee will be depending on the depending on the designation and the package which they are ready to offer you in the organization once you are joined. So usually it will start from 2 lakhs to it will also goes to 3.5 as well. So this will be the way this will be varies to the how you are dealing with that person and how what kind of package, how much the package they are ready to offer you. It all depends on that. And you might be also having a question like which companies will they put after paying the amount for the backdoor job. So IT industry were segregated into uh, various categories. For example, startup companies, mid-sized companies, MNCs, and big four companies. So when you pay the amount, so they might put you in any one of this category. So they might put you in MNC, they might put you on big four company or mid-size or startup. It's all depends on like what kind of connections they are had with the companies. Upon consideration of all these, they will be placing you in one of the company. Okay. And and also many people think that how to find the genuine agencies who are ready to offer these backdoor jobs. So usually there will not be any agencies who deals with this backdoor job, okay, in the market. So usually I have experienced that many people who were ready to offer these backdoor jobs are coming from the telegram and social media channels. Most probably people will be approaching one of the people will be approaching through telegram because that is more encrypted and it contains security, tight security, and it will hide the personal person details. So I saw that a few of them were contacting to few students and they were claiming to offer the job as a business analyst, scrum master, and product owner after they paying to them for 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, something amount like that. And yeah, so basically the people who coming from the Telegram channel and Telegram channel or any other social media channels, you will find them over there. Okay. And yeah, so and also I would like to talk that who are more interested in showing who shows the more interest towards the backdoor job. I can say that those who are having a career gaps and those who are more interested to those who are more interested to get a job as a so and so job in the IT industry, and those who are desiring for the uh, good package, and freshers also nowadays they were also showing interest for this backdoor job. So these are the various personas where they are showing more interest towards backdoor job. Career gap, those who are wanting to be a part of IT industry, fresher, and those who are looking for very good package, someone who has worked in the non-IT sector for long years and they are wanting to transition to the IT sector. So they are also more showing interest towards for the backdoor job. So now the question is it possible to get a job in the backdoor as a BA, Scrum Master, and product owner? So first of all, I would like to tell you one thing, guys. There are so many people who took the training from me, were suggesting me to also handle backdoor jobs for them. So that means they are directly telling me to assist them for the backdoor jobs, and they were ready to pay the huge amount to the backdoor jobs. The ultimate goal of them to get a job as a BA, Scrum Master, and product owner. So those who are reaching out to me with this statement, I clearly mentioning that these backdoor jobs are baseless, because I, first of all, as a trainer, I don't have any credibility on these backdoor jobs. I don't have any belief on this backdoor job, because I saw many people who were ended up with the uh, facing difficulties after paying the amount to the agencies and to the people who are trusted them. It has been happened to several people. So I actually don't encourage anyone to go after backdoor jobs. See, I can do the business by running this backdoor job. Those who are taking the training from me, I can quote them 3 lakhs, and in that 3 lakhs, I can give the 2 lakhs to the agency, and I can take the 1 lakh as a commission. I can run the business, but usually won't do this. This is not ethically correct, because backdoor jobs, I don't have any trust. Again, I'm saying I don't have any trust. I can run the business. I can earn so many lakhs through only just backdoor. I can earn, but my ultimate main goal and motive is to educate those who are wanting to upskill as a BA, Scrum Master, or product owner. So you will get 100% teaching, that too practically from me. But those who are looking for backdoor job, those who are hoping, so I suggest you to don't go after the backdoor job. Just ignore these jobs. Those who are approaching you also, just neglect them, don't respond to them, because there are so many risks that will be uh, you need to one has to experience with the backdoor jobs. So first one risk is, uh, if you pay the amount to the unknown person, that unknown person, you don't know where they will reside, and in case if they are stopped answering to your calls, obviously the amount which you paid will not be coming back to you, right? And there is no way of tracing them back. So this has been happened to many people in the market. After paying the some amount to the agency or one of the unknown member, they were stopped answering the calls of the person. This is one of the risk which usually happens. And the second risk is, nowadays I have been hearing many times from many people from many channels that it is going smoothly. The candidate is paying certain amount to the one of the member who deals this backdoor job, and that person is also supporting to land up a job to the candidate who paid the amount, and the candidate is working successfully in the company. But after few months, like let's assume 5 months or 3 months or 6 months later, the company wantedly terminating the candidate for no reason. They're paying the amount for couple of months, like 30,000, 40,000. But after few months, they're wantonly terminating for no reason. This has been happened several times in the IT industry for many people. So this could also one of second risk. So there are so many risks I could state, but I hope by now you have understood, I guess. See, again, I'm saying I can run the business for by handling these backdoor jobs, but I usually won't show interest in going after this backdoor job, because I don't believe, and I don't have any intention to uh, earn the money through backdoor jobs. So if you are really more interested in getting a job, one has to go through with your perseverance and your skill set. That is something I believe. So if you are with that mindset, then please approach us. I will be training you. You can end up a job as a business analyst, scrum master, and product owner. So practical experience is something plays a very crucial role. So with that, with my way of teaching, the way of you learning after joining in my session, I believe like there is a high possibility to get a job. So please don't go after backdoor jobs. Neglect if anyone was suggesting you to go after backdoor jobs. All you need to do is please do hard work, learn skills, be perseverance. Then I'm sure that you'll get a job. Thank you. We are starting new batch on BA, Scrum Master and Product Owner very soon. Please contact us. Thank you.